So today I'll be working on this Dewalt 4-inch angle grinder. Alright, so the thing with this is not coming on, right? So I'll plug it on and show you. Alright, so nothing happening, no power. Alright, so no power. Alright, so again current, but there's no power. Alright, so I'll unplug it and I will check for open circuit on the plug or the cord. Alright, so looking for continuity. Alright. Then putting on the switch and nothing happening, right? Alright, so I will open the back cover. There's one screw to remove. Alright, so there's one screw to remove, open it. Alright, now we're gonna do some troubleshooting. So pull out the cover. Alright, and now we are going to test out the plug to see the plug, get the plug okay. Alright, so alright, so looking for continuity. Alright, so taking one end and put in the NI plug, and then the other end put the terminal. Alright, so this is neutral. You're getting reading in the neutral, right? Now you try the hot. Alright, again reading. So this good. Right, so the cable good. Alright, so the next step now is to check. Yeah, okay, so this do have no brushes. Alright, so and the brushes in this one looking like it wear down. Alright, okay, so this one wear down. And it looks like somebody opened this to try to fix this, because this not supposed to be popping out like this. It's supposed to have a spring. Right, it's supposed to have a spring that hold along the brushes, and there'll be spring right inside here. Right, so this is the spring. Right, so that's the spring that hold on the brushes. Alright. So I will check for continuity and see if I get any reading. Alright, so one probe on the neutral and one on the brushes holder. I didn't get nothing because you didn't get nothing on this side. But if you flip it on this side, right, you get on the other side. You should get. Okay, so you ain't get nothing. You ain't get nothing because the reason why you're not getting no reading is because the switch off. Alright, so you put on the switch, and then start back again. You're looking for a closed circuit. Alright, so this is a closed circuit, and that's an open circuit, right? So we're looking for a closed circuit. Alright, so this is working. Alright, so you're getting continuity on this terminal. You ain't getting nothing on the hot. Now to get continuity on the hot, you leave one probe on the hot, and you turn it around and you touch the other end. Right, this is where the brush is going, you touch that end and you will get a reading. Alright, so this is working. Off, no reading. On, reading. Right, so this is hot and this is the brushes. Right, so far the amateur and everything working, the switch and amateur working. Now we are upon brushes to check and see if it really working now. Right, so I will put on. Now to put on the brushes, you have to remove the put this spring aside, the hold the brushes, and the rest of the brushes inside. Right. I do the same thing on this side. Alright, so do the same thing on this side. You raise the spring up. Alright. I put on the brushes and ice it. Alright, so now we will check and see. We supposed to get a reading. It has to be working. Alright, so if you're going to read it, right, you get a open circuit. I will give a closed circuit, right? So you're going to read it because you switch off. So you put on the switch and you get a reading. Alright. So there's a closed circuit, open circuit. Alright, so screw it up. First I have to remove this old one, this old brushes. As you can see, the old brushes were down. Alright. Put them back this together. Alright, and put in the one screw. Alright, and now I plug it on, make sure it's off, it's on the off position, and then I'll put it on. Alright, so the problem was the brushes. It wasn't the switch. It wasn't the cable. It was the brushes. All the brushes. One was missing and one were down. And all I had to do was to remove the brushes, the old one, and put in new one. Alright, so there you have it. Now you know how to fix a Dewalt 4-inch angle grinder. As always, thanks for watching all my videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, leave a comment below. Until next time, Mr. Fix It 360 saying good luck with all your repairs.